Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, we are going to make this text animation. Okay guys, here I use 1920 by 1080 resolution with 60 FPS. And first we need to add a background, so go to the stock media and select gradient color. Then you can pick any color you like. So I select this one and add it to the timeline. Okay, then we need to add text, so go to the text and add the default title to the timeline. Okay, then go to the text settings and customize it as you like. After that, go to the scale, and I increase the scale to something like 45. Okay, then we need to add an animation to our text, so go to the animation, and select in. Then I add this animation, with 1.5 seconds duration. After that, select video, then select animation, and change this to the preset motion. Then add this grow shrink animation. So then we need to change this text to a compound clip to add effects. So select the text layer, and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. So I named it text, and hit OK. So then take a duplicate of this text. So I do it like this. Okay guys, first let's add the 3D look to our text. So select the bottom text layer, and add this BCC Radial Blur effect to our text layer. Okay, after that go to the effect settings, and change the blur type to smear. Then go to the blur amount, and change it to minus value. So I change it to something like -1.8. Okay, then we need to adjust the effect's center point, so I change this X position to 1.5, and Y position to something -1. After that, go to the mix with the original setting, and change it to -300. So you can see it gives this sharp look to our 3D effect. Okay, next let's adjust the color, so go to the color. Then select the color settings. First I select the tint, and I change the value to -34, and also increase the saturation to something like 40. After that, go to the curves, then you can simply copy my color graph. Okay, after that we need to add a glossy look to our text, so select the top text layer, and search for the emboss effect in the effect tab. Then add it to our text layer. After that, go to the effects settings, and change the percentage value to 32.92, and bring the opacity to 35. Okay, now it has this kind of look. So then add the effect called BCC RGB Edges. After that, go to the effects settings, and change the enhance mode to highlight or shadow. So I keep it to highlight, then go to the intensity, and I change it to something to 20. Then go to the post blur, and I change it to 5. So after that, go to the light direction, and we can animate the light direction as we like. So I go to the 0.4 second position in the timeline, then create a keyframe on light direction, and I change it to -100. Then go a few seconds forward, like 3.05 seconds, and change this value to something like 440. Okay guys, now it looks like this. So then I like to add a light sweep effect. So select this BCC light sweep effect in the Boris FX, and add it to this text layer. After that, go to the effects settings, and first select the direction, and I change it to 205. Then you can adjust the light width here. So I change it to 135. Then scroll down, and select the edges settings. Then you can simply copy my settings. Okay, let's add the motion to this. So go to the first keyframe, and I change the X position to 0.3. Also create a keyframe. Then go to the last keyframe, and change the X position to 1. Okay, after that I like to rotate this text a little bit, so I do it like this. So guys, finally I like to add some elements to complete our text animation. For that I use few elements in this Valentine special effects. so you can use any effects here, and it's completely free this month. So guys, our Valentine's text animation is complete, so here's the result. Also guys, if you need to change this text, simply go into the text compound clip, then select the text, and you can simply change the text as you like. After that, go back to the main timeline, and it replaces our text like this. So guys, that's how we can make awesome Valentine's text animation inside of Filmora 13, and you can see it's very easy to create, and you can download the complete project file through the link in the description. And also you can check my Filmora tutorial playlist for more awesome tutorials. So that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. Also please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.